Hello children, welcome to my channel Kids Tutorial. Today we will learn alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.